Hello guys, so we are unboxing another book from Sizzle. So, unboxing natin to. Wala ng arte-arte pa. So, we are unboxing it right away to you guys. 195 pesos from the National Bookstore. So, let's unbox it. Kaya ako na nakatagal-tagal pang kwentuhan. So, here's the book called made popular from Wattpad. Ayan. Arranged Marriage to My Boss. Everyone Has a Dark Side by, let me clear that. Sino ang nagsulat nito? Ayan. I Miss Garrix. I Miss Greeks. Ganun ba? Or Diane Villena. So yan ang libro niya. Napakaganda siguro nito, no? For adult na lang to mga guys, no? So ayan. Pause the video for the story. Yan. And this is a Zizzle edition, 195 pesos by James John Andres and photographed by John Rainer Dale the Castro II, and 18 years old and above can read this book. So yan. I Miss Grace, kung tama mabasa ko doon, ay Diane Villena. Arranged Marriage to My Boss from Zizzle. That is, ano ba yan? Unboxing.